Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to talk about some of the memory card that's incompatible with your DJI OSMO Pocket. So I got two of this 64 gigabyte. I don't want to mix it up. I believe this one is the fake one. And I'm not sure, maybe both of them were fake because I purchased this from eBay, and then somehow this one got damaged. I cannot format it. I cannot delete any of the file that's already on there. And then with this one, I tried to put this one on my DJI. I got it out of eBay, that one. And then AV 19 to 21 second or even 5 second. It keep on stop. So I hook it up with my smartphone, the Samsung Note 10 Plus. It has this error message that the write speed, it is too slow. I believe both of these are fake ones. So and both of them says made in Taiwan. And as you can see, this is a darker red, this is a lighter red. So the darker red is defective. Every time I try to put in the computer, it says cannot read or something is wrong with the memory card. So this is my Ion Air Pro. So I'm going to show you guys what it says when I put it in. So every time when I try to record, it's just flashing. There you go. So it shows red recording, and all of a sudden it shows this green LED flashing. That means there's something wrong with it. Turn it off and turn it back on again. See? So it acts as recording, and then it's kicked me out right away. So it has tried to tell me that's an error on this memory card. Let me turn it off and eject it. So the one that's only on here, on the DJI, this is the one that I purchased at my local Target store. Okay. And this one, it is made in Malaysia. Let me give you side-by-side comparison. But this one is the Ultra Plus. The other two were just a regular Ultra. So they have a special texture on this one. And then I'm gonna put it side by side. So this one is the Ultra, but it was telling me the speed was too slow. And then let's put it side by side with the other one. So as you see, this is much more red, and then a lighter gray on the bottom. So these two look kind of alike. of the colors. So I'm not sure the middle one is the original one or not, but if it's the original one, I'm not sure why it's, DJI is telling me it's too slow. But you could tell the bottom one is fake one because the texture is not even close at all. Okay. So anyway, I got this for $17.99, and I will try to show you guys a video where I got it from and everything. And then I was just checking on Best Buy, and then I found out that Best Buy has a 128 gigabyte, which is double the storage that I just bought for only $14.99. So this is the memory card that I got. So I got exactly the same thing, except you get the double the storage. It's 128 gigabyte for $14.99. So I grabbed the last two that they have at the store. So be sure to buy your memory card at your local store, so you know it's legit, okay? So with those two memory cards, $14.99, and then tax on that is $1.31 each. So my total is $32.60. So yeah, don't buy memory card out of eBay or Amazon. Most likely you're gonna get the fake one, and it's not good. You just you try to save money, but you end up losing more money instead. Because not only you will lose all your memory or whatever that you record, taking pictures and stuff like that, you're gonna lose all of it. Just go to your local store and pay a little bit more. Actually, this is much cheaper than eBay and Amazon. Okay, so just know what you buying and shop around. Be a smart shopper. Shop around everywhere. I look at the Walmart, Target, Best Buy. Well, I kind of look at Amazon, but so many bad reviews on there saying the car is fake or whatever. Even on eBay, I don't even trust eBay anymore. So anyway, let's go ahead and test this out. I want to make sure it will not give me problem like automatic stop after I press record. So let's go ahead and open this up. So be sure to look at the packaging in case you guys bought some on eBay or Amazon. You could try to legit check it. And then there's this sticker right here on the inside, free download. Alright, so I was looking at this 64 gigabyte Ultra Plus. And then inside of it, there's no sticker in there. So I guess with the 128 gigabyte, you are paying more for the money. So they give you this free download or something like that. It's called a Rescue Pro Data Recovery Software. But anyway, don't use that because I already used it already. By the way, be sure you have this exact same UPC code, and it is made in Malaysia. And be sure it's in this kind of case. That other is made in China. Gonna flip it. And it has a manufacture date, October 16, 2019. Let me show you guys the memory card. So it should have some kind of this glossy effect. And this one's made in Malaysia as well. Alright, so I'm gonna put it inside the DJI OSMO pocket. Gonna turn it on. Okay, and I'm gonna press record. Let's try to record for like 25 seconds. And hopefully it's not gonna stop. Alright, so it should be good. Gonna press stop. Press and hold. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.